Card usage is typically considered ideal usage below 30%. High score performers use less than 10%. Using less than 30% of your available credit is a guideline, not a rule. The less credit you use, the better. The truth is, there is not certain credit utilization ratio that you will make or break your credit score. Below 30% is a good guideline for most consumers, and lower is better for your score. Keeping up with that portion of your credit limits you are using is easier than you may think. You can set up alerts with your credit card issuers and or get regular reports of how much of your credit you are using from some personal finance sites.